Okay, hey guys, welcome to video 3. We are doing I'm going to do these last two examples and then you can get started on your homework. They're just a little different because now they're using hundredths. Before we get started, here is your riddle. A girl was on a 20-foot ladder. She fell off and she didn't get hurt. How is that possible? Okay, so she's on a 20-foot ladder and she fell off and she didn't get hurt at all. How is that possible? Okay, so now let's get back into it. So the last example was a little different because it was not a whole number that they were dividing by, or that they were dividing, but it was decimals. Okay, this is another whole number divided by a decimal. Sorry. So we're going to change this into an expression with a fraction divisor. So I have 5 divided by 0.01, or 5 divided by 1/100th. So I have 5, I'm going to keep 5, and I'm going to divide it by 1/100th. Hope you can see that. So I have 5 divided by 1/100th. I'm going to change my color here. It's not really, I don't know why I always grab the orange because it doesn't work that great. So 5 divided by 1/100th, I change this hundredth into a fraction. And then that's going to equal, well, we can keep 5, we can change it, and we'll flip it. So it'll be 5 times 100. And we know 5 times 100, or 100 5 times, equals 500. Okay, so now that we did that, let's answer or fill in the blanks. It says there are blank hundredths in one whole. Well, there are blank hundredths in one whole. Well, we need there are blank hundredths in one whole. Sorry, Miss Pletty is texting me. So, sorry, how rude. There are 100 hundredths in one whole, and there are, I put there are blank hundredths in 5 wholes. Well, if we have 100 for 1, we need 500 for 5 wholes. I hope that makes sense. So there are 100 hundredths for 1 whole, there are 500 hundredths for 5 wholes, okay? And then for this one, it's 8 divided by 1/100th. So I'm gonna keep the 8, divide it by, I'm gonna change this hundredth into a fraction, pretty easy. And then I know I'm gonna change, and I'm gonna flip. So I'm gonna keep 8, multiply it by 100. I know 8 times 100, or 108 times is 800. There are blank hundredths in one whole. Well, we just answered that. There are 100 hundredths in one whole, which means there are blank hundredths in 8 wholes. There are 800 hundredths in 8 of them. Okay? So your homework is going to look really similar. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you guys at 9:30 on Zoom.